Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In this video, I will show you how to disable or turn off people nearby on Telegram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Telegram has a nifty location-based function called People Nearby. It lets you message users within a 2-kilometer radius, the result chain based on your current location. But the feature does pose some concerns. On this video, I will show you how to disable or turn off People Nearby on your Telegram. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Telegram. Now you can tap on the up left corner, the three lines over here. You can tap on People Nearby on these options, these sections. Here, your People Nearby is actually disabled by default. So if you've enabled this feature, you can just turn off your location like this. So your People Nearby will be automatically inactive. You can see. And if you want to turn on again, enable again, you can just tap on turn on. And you can activate your location. And if you make yourself visible and want to stop it, you don't want people nearby, you see your contact, you can just tap on stop showing me on here. So people nearby, you cannot see your contact. So simple, right? So if you want to disable, turn off your People Nearby on Telegram, you just need to turn off your location on your phone. So that is how to disable People Nearby on Telegram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!